Hi, it's Cook Persida, and today I'm sharing with you how to make deep fried jalapeno shrimp. If you like shrimp and haven't tried this recipe before, then you must, because this recipe is my favorite. And it's so simple. Let me show you how I do it. I have about 400 grams of shrimp here, a little less than a pound. You can wash them, but make sure you drain all the water, and also make sure they're not frozen. Add 1 teaspoon of salt. Add about half of a teaspoon of paprika. Add 4 garlic cloves. Get 2 jalapeno pepper and slice them to about 1/8 of an inch. Don't make them too thin. And now if you like your shrimp to be very spicy, you can keep the seeds. But I like medium spicy, so I will take some of those seeds out. And just like this, I took the seeds out. I do have a little seeds in my jalapeno, and I'll add those to the shrimp. But again, if you want them spicy, keep those seeds. You don't have to clean them out. Add 1/4 of a cup of flour. Cover the bowl with the lid and give it a good shake. You really want everything to get mixed in, especially the salt. You want the flavors to be evenly spread out. Now close the lid and let it marinate for a few minutes. Now get a pot and add some frying oil. We just want it to cover the shrimp, so add about 1.5 inches. Here's a little tip. You can check if the oil is hot enough by placing a wooden stick, and if you see those bubbles around the stick, that means the oil is hot. Fry the shrimp by batches. Make sure they're not sticking together. You want them to have enough room. Fry them for a few minutes and then they will turn orange in color. And then drain the extra oil. You can even put them on a paper towel. That way it will soak in the extra oil and make them even more crisp. And that's it. The shrimps are ready. The shell peels off easily. And I like to eat them with some cocktail sauce. They have so much flavor. You should definitely try them. And if you like the recipe, share it with your friends. Also, you can ask me questions in the comments below. I post new recipes every week, so don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you again soon. Bye-bye!